कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट. प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या.
10 फेब्रुवारी ते 1 मार्च या काळात राज्यातल्या 20 केंद्रांचेर 12वीची परीक्षा घेतिल्ली. परीक्षेक राज्यभरांतल्यान 17,686 विद्यार्थी बशिल्ले. तातूंत 8,462 चले आनी 9,224 चलयांचो आस्पाव आशिल्लो. बेरेस्तारा 12वीचो निकाल जाहीर जालो. अंदू वर्सा 90.64% निकाल लागलो. कला शाखेचो 91.3%, वाणिज्य शाखेचो 93.31%, विज्ञान शाखेचो 91.32%, जाल्यार व्होकेशनलाचो 82.64% निकाल लागलो. अंदू वर्सा परतून चलयांनीच बाजी मारली.
2020 you can see 89.27, 21 this is 99.40. This was a COVID year, and 2022 this is 92.66, 23 this is 95.46, and last year this was 85%. This is the graph which varies, and for 2025 examination the number of the candidates appeared from regular category where 17,686, pass 16,030, 3 are placed in reserve category because of non-submission of their eligibility certificate, and the pass percentage is 90.64. You can see the last year's result here. Last year's enrollment was 17,511. This year it is 17,686. Slightly it has been increased. Last year the result was 85% and this year it is 90.64%. Gender-wise result, boys appeared 8,462, passed 7,505, and boys pass percentage is 88.69%. And that of girls, this is 9,224. 8,525 they have cleared this examination, and once again girls they have outshone in this examination. This is 92.42%.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV.